Hello, today you're looking at a SASSC 500 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 460 volt. We'll take a look at the inside here. Has been fully tested and checked out by our electricians here on staff. Very nice condition. Take a look at the board here. Unit does come with a brand new fiberglass remote with digital readout. Turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it in operation. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 36 inches wide by 51 inches high. It is a 3-phase unit. And as we come back over here to the remote, we'll turn it on. Up the volts a little bit. Come over here to the ripple current. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.